Hello and welcome to another MDR video. We're going to be testing some lamps with the Velbus VMBDMI-R. It's a 400 watt leading edge dimmer, DIN rail mounted. And today we're testing them with the KSR Firebreak Qr7 lamps. These are 7 watt lamps, switchable mode from cool white, warm white or normal white. And as you can see from the lamps on the desk already, and this is with the dimmer off, the test has not started well. Let's show you those. And they're the classic ones where they've got the inbuilt lamp and then there's an external connection box for them. So as you can see here, they've got the lamp, and they've got the connector block just near it. But as you can see, these lamps are supposedly off right now, if you can believe that. These are them dimming to full power. Yes, they're quite bright, but the dim curve isn't noticeable at all. I can pull them down to 50%, and yeah. So there you have it. QSR Lighting's Firebreak Qr7 lamps. Not a pass, unfortunately. Look for the playlist, you'll find plenty of other ones, but at the moment it looks like it is the Crompton Duo dims that are coming out on top consistently. Can't beat a Crompton. Right, join us next time for another demo video, and well, I hope you're doing well, and look forward to you sending us lots and lots of other lamps to test. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and keep an eye out for all our other videos. Thank you very much. See you next time.